looking for a fast and easy way to book 𝐃𝐀𝐍𝐀𝐆𝐎 tickets in 2026 at the right price? Do you want to make sure your tickets are official, safe, and with no hidden fees? And don't want to miss the latest 2026 𝐃𝐀𝐍𝐻𝐿's ticket prices and special offers? In this video, DANAGO will guide you through a simple step-by-step way to book 𝐃𝐀𝐍𝐻𝐿's tickets for 2026. With transparent pricing and a clear process, so you can relax and fully enjoy your 𝐃𝐀𝐍𝐻𝐿's experience. DANAGO, a trusted travel company in Da Nang, is the official distributor of 𝐃𝐀𝐍𝐻𝐿's tickets, offering great prices and safe service for all travelers. Especially when booking 𝐃𝐀𝐍𝐿's tickets online via DANAGO's website, you'll instantly receive a shocking discount, no requirements, no conditions, just one click, and the surprise is right in your hands. Step 1. Visit the website, danaticket.vn with the title, 𝐃𝐀𝐍𝐻𝐿's ticket prices. Step 2. Select the correct information for yourself, local resident or visitor from another province, age group, and ticket type. Step 3. Fill in the personal details of the ticket user, full name, address, phone number, ID, passport, etc. Note: be sure to select the correct departure date so that your ticket remains valid. Step 4. Double-check your personal information. Agree to the website's terms, and click Buy Now. Step 5. Choose your payment method. Complete the payment, and receive your ticket as a QR code from DANAGO. 𝐃𝐀𝐍𝐻𝐿's cable car ticket prices 2026 with special offers from DANAGO. For out-of-province visitors, 1.000.000 Vietnamese dongs, adults, and 800 Vietnamese dongs, children and seniors. In addition, DANAGO has prepared value for money combo tickets that are convenient and budget-friendly for you to choose from. For international visitors, the full combo including the cable car and lunch buffet is offered at a very attractive price, 1.300.000 Vietnamese dongs for adults, 1.000.000 Vietnamese dongs for children, and 1.150.000 Vietnamese dongs for seniors. A highlight you definitely shouldn't miss when exploring 𝐃𝐀𝐍𝐻𝐿's is DANAGO's captivating, mystical night combo. This special package includes evening admission and a premium dinner buffet, priced at just 1.050.000 Vietnamese dongs for adults, 850 Vietnamese dongs for children, and 1.000.000 Vietnamese dongs for seniors. Ticket pricing by age and height. Adults, height over 1.40 meters. Children, height from 1.00 meters to 1.40 meters. Seniors, over 70 years old, born in 1957 or earlier. Promotion period, 𝐃𝐀𝐍𝐻𝐿's latest 2026 rates, from January 1st, 2026 to December 31st, 2026. For more details, please contact DANAGO, visit our website at danago.vn, or call our hotline 0833.888.4.